Hello guys, this is Veronica from House of Cid. You know what time it is? It's cafecito time. And for today's cafecito, I just wanted to show you some new capsules I bought. These are new capsules I bought on Amazon. I got a great deal and I just had to share with you guys. So let's do a little cafecito Nespresso capsule unboxing today. So I was running low on capsules for the Beast, for the original line. So I went online, and I like to always look at the Amazon warehouse. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link to it where I show you how to go into the Amazon warehouse and look for deals on Nespresso capsules. So I went in there and I did not find these on the warehouse deals, but they do have deals on Amazon where if you buy them and sign up for like a subscription, like automatically they'll send them to you every month, every 2 months, every couple weeks. You choose the subscription time and you get a discount the first time. So these came out to pretty cheap, $17, like 17 and change for 50 capsules from Lavazza. Lavazza is one of my favorite coffees. I loved it even before Nespresso. So when I heard that they had capsules for Nespresso, I had to try them. So I ordered them and this is how they came. Literally, they put a label on the box and just send it to me like, okay. But I like the box. So you get a variety pack. So yeah, let's open it up. Let's see. Let's see what it says here. It says lift on this side. Okay, I'm not going to be able to do that because these people literally put a label over it. If you go on Amazon, a lot of the coffee brands have their own like shops on Amazon, so you could buy directly from them. Oh, okay. Here we go. So, oh, there it is. So it lifts up like this. Nice. Let's see. Might have to just remove this one. Yeah, it has instructions back here. I guess, oh, there it is. Voila. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My bad, you guys. You get 60 capsules. That's actually a really good deal. Even for like the regular price, which was like $25. That's really, really good. I've never tried Lavazza capsules, so I'm very excited. You get 6 of them. And let's see. And it's a variety pack. You get the Espresso Armonico Intensity 8. And this is espresso. So you get 10. You get 2 of these. I guess this is just like their basic espresso. I see that Lavazza Armonico Intensity 8. I'm trying to say it with like an Italian accent. You get 1 of the Lungo Leggero, which means light. And this one is Intensity 4. And this is a Lungo, which is like the bigger size espresso. You get a Deciso. Oh, 10. Intensity 10 espresso Deciso. So you get 1 box of these. Ooh, I like the boxes and the colors. Lungo Avvolgente. I don't speak Italian. Although some Italian words sound like Spanish words, but I'm trying my best here. Avvolgente. If you speak Italian, let me know. I know I'm not saying it right. This is an Intensity 5. And the last one is, oh, you get a decaf. That's pretty cool. You get Espresso Decaffeinato Rico, which is kind of the same in Spanish. This is an Intensity 6. That's actually pretty cool. I'm actually excited about this. 6 capsules, 6 boxes of 10 capsules each, 60 capsules. Let's see. They have expiration date of to February 28, 2022. Okay, that's really good. It says compatible with Nespresso original line machines. Okay, let's open one of the boxes, and I'm going to put this one because I think that color is pretty in the front. How about that? So let's open it up and see. It says product of Italy. It comes from Italy, distributed by Lavazza Premium Coffee Shop in New York. And it opens kind of like the Starbucks capsules. Opens. Ooh. Okay. So this is how it looks inside. Again, you know I was going to make a mess. The only thing is that, and I honestly didn't even know till I'm noticing right now, these are not aluminum. The capsules are plastic. So we shall see. Lavazza, you need to get with the program and make aluminum capsules, but that's what it looks like. I'm going to taste them. If you guys want me to do a review video tasting these, I will, but I just want to let you know that new capsules. That's one thing about the original line. There's a big variety of capsules. I bought Illy, I bought Starbucks, Pete's are also really good. I've bought Don Francisco. There are so many brands now that are making original Nespresso compatible capsules, and I'm excited to try these. So yeah, I'll put a link if you guys are interested in buying these. And like I said, if you sign up for the subscription, you do get an additional discount, which I think was really good and worth a try. And if you don't like it, you could cancel it. So I signed up. I got these for like $17 and change. If I don't like them, I could cancel the subscription and they don't even charge me. So that's a pretty good deal. That's it, guys. Just want to make a quick short video showing you the Lavazza capsules that I just bought that I'm going to try. If you have tasted these, if you have bought these, if you like them, if you hate them, if you think they're gross, let me know. I love hearing from you guys. Make sure you are giving our videos thumbs up if you are enjoying them, and like them. Subscribe to our channel. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week with more cafecito.